Living in the moment. It's going down right now. Yo. We try to make it last by taking pictures. Enjoy it all now, you can't take it with ya. I'll be sitting by the phone cause I'd hate to miss ya. Love someone today is the main agenda. Some days I need a pickup like spotting chin-ups. Tell me why I had to go and pick that gin up. On a roll now, but in the past I've been stuck. When I need a lift up, I'm picking my pen up. Write it all down, can't hold it in. Find that inner peace and become whole again. The path to success is opening. Accept the truth and don't pretend. Every now and then you gon' fall like Wipeout. Live life to the fullest before it's lights out. Y'all need to pipe down, I love my lifestyle. I'm sitting at the top cause the future's right now. Right now is when the magic happens. Right now is the main attraction. Right now is when life begins. Every day is the day and today's your friend. Right now is when the magic happens. Right now is the main attraction. Right now is when life begins. Every day is today and today's your friend. The clock is ticking, so let's start living. Yesterday is gone, it's a new beginning. Embrace the moment, accept your present. No need to question, I love your presence. They say the truth hurts, but it's worth the answers. Gotta quit dancing in your circumstances. Gotta make the most of them second chances, cause we don't know when the next advances. Ironically, we be losing time on TikTok. Seeing the kids dancing reminds me of hip-hop. Welcome to the circus under the big top. We're getting more views, gonna make you a big shot. Put that phone down, you ain't got to hold it. Life is passing by and you can't control it. Please take some time and get to know it. Dreams come true in the present moment. Right now is when the magic happens. Right now is the main attraction. Right now is when life begins. Every day is the day and today's your friend. Right now is when the magic happens. Right now is the main attraction. Right now is when life begins. Every day is today and today's your friend. Some days I ain't the boy that my mom did raise. When I neglect the things that my mom did say. In my daughter's eyes now I'm sensei, and I'ma teach my girls how I got this way. I ain't gon' front like I ain't broke a promise. To be honest, there's more that I should accomplish. Lost sight of the dream, started chasing commas. Putting on an act like I was making a drama. In all fairness, my awareness was taking days off, having thoughts of Ferris. Couldn't get away, took my breath away. Always stuck in tomorrow and yesterday. Had to get my mind off of getting paid. Stop getting bent, started getting straight. Everything within started getting great. The power of now helped me get in shape. Right now is when the magic happens. Right now is the main attraction. Right now is when life begins. Every day is the day and today's your friend. Right now is when the magic happens. Right now is the main attraction. Right now is when life begins. Every day is today and today's your friend. Right now